What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're at the lockup and just finished work. So Zafira, it's looking pretty good. It's looking very good. We're about ready to sell the car. We just need to cut the headlights, do the touch-up paint on the bonnet and polish the lower grille. So we'll have a look at that now. I'm just going to crack on and get to it. Let's get this done. Let's get the Zafira ready. Let's get it sold. Let's go. So we've got the sanding done, obviously. You've just saw that speeded up. So it is now really smooth flat. So that is not camera. So that's super smooth. Same on this side. So we're gonna lay down some primer. The headlights, cut the headlights, left the polish at the dealership. So headlights are gonna need to go back down there to get polished. Let's carry on. So we've got the second coat on. Maybe that coat was a little bit too thick. I should probably slow down just a little bit. But obviously you can see if I move my fat head that we're already starting to lose the coverage. So I'll flip the camera around, show you a quick look, and then I'll flip it back around and we'll talk. So I should probably sand the primer before I lay the base coat, but I'm in a bit of a rush as always, so I might just lay Lockwood and fully sand it. We'll see. So the paint is mixed by a local body shop. I gave them the paint code and they mixed it up for me. I'm hoping that it's going to be a close match because we have polished the top of the bonnet, so the paint should be decent on the top. We don't know how it's going to blend. I just watched it look good and did a full send. So let's see what happens. This is not good sticks. So we've laid the paint. How good it is, I don't know. I look awful. I'm tired. So I am trying to do it quick, but I'm happy with it. Looks pretty decent. I'll flip the camera around. You can have a look. Hate's gonna hate. It's a cheap car. Let's have a look. So that's it for me. I'm gonna go home and get something to eat. The paint is done. I need to polish it. So in the next video, I'm literally gonna do the final checks, check the oil level, check the coolant, check the tire pressures, polish the headlights because I don't have a polisher here at the unit, polish the bonnet. So I'll show you the bonnet now, but bear in mind that the bottom half of the bonnet wasn't polished and the top half was. But now the top half is got loads of like wax and grease remover, so it needs to be polished as well. So we'll polish the whole bonnet and we'll see what we get. But for today we are done. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys real soon. So as you can see, you've got the lines, but once I polish, hopefully that'll be hidden. But the paintwork looks fairly decent. You still got obviously all the little stone chips over here. I wasn't after that. What I was after was the chunks of paint that were missing. So obviously it's decent enough to me, to be honest. So we're going to polish it all up. Hopefully we're not left with two squares, but for now that's what we got. So yeah, headlights, polish the bonnet, and then we're done. It's gonna be bye bye Zafira. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.